ma'am, about my sinusitis, I'm currently having a headache.
Does anyone in your family experience pain, ma'am?
Yes po, my tita and my
How does pain affect your family, ma'am?
like for example, ma'am, I'm currently having a headache, sila po tayo, ma'am.
So, ma'am, what are your concerns about pain?
Like, example, ma'am, makakuan po allergic sa akong perfume. Like, makasimot po, makasimot ni ana. Sakit na kayo po, like, super sakit siya.
So, ma'am, last questions. What are your concerns about pain effects on your general ability?
Like, diligid po makafocus, ma'am, especially pag matular siya.
Okay, so how does it affect good ma'am sa inyong mood or simple emotions when having your sinusitis and headache?
If I currently having the sinusitis, ma'am, more on like, super sakit din siya, ma'am, and ako emotion is like, ano magtuyo siya ko. And, ma'am, mood swings tungkol sa kamunin. Like, kailangan diligid ako mabatihan na ako.
So next, ma'am, how about your concentrations in school or sa homework? How does your headache and your sinusitis affect your concentration, ma'am?
Like, example, ma'am, if magtukar siya, as well as an earlier, kung masakit din siya, mahalagid akong focus. Kaya, more pinigid siya sa mga edapit.
How about your physical ability, ma'am?
Okay.
How about sa imong work, ma'am?
Work, wala makikay-work, ma'am, pero if maghilo ko, makalanghap lang ko, o allergy na ako nga ako, tukar siya.
And how about sa imong relations with other people, ma'am? Like, kung tayo makinig, sinusitis.
Like, kadala-dala lang po ko straight para na magiging maapit na lang ako po.
And then how about sa imong sleep, ma'am?
Sometimes, kahit mapilar ko tungkol sa kasakit sa ulo, especially pag mag-under ako sa sinusitis.
So, about sa imong appetite, ma'am, like, kung nabatin yung ulo kay nangitulog pa ka, o di ka kabatin yung kagutom,
Dili ba?
hindi ka batin yung kagutom.
Mas mawalaan kung gano'n.
Okay. How about enjoyment of life, ma'am? What if, like, karon, you have your headache and your sinusitis, how do you enjoy your life, or how does your problem affect your enjoyment of life?
Wala lang, example lugar mo, under na po siya, kung stay na po sa galaan, is ako siya mahantin na para ma-enjoy mag-one of chores. Kaya na, para mas ma-adjust ka sa